Garcia, and I am going to inform you about how to search electronically. First of all, I want to ask a question about you that when you go search, when you are curious about something or you want to know about what you like or what you want, you go searching, right? But there are so many materials that you can find like in the library, in the catalogs, in the database, or even in the internet. But I'm going to give you some information about how to easily search in the electronics. First of all, you you need to have a keyword to narrow your search. For example, you are going to search about the Malayan Colleges Laguna. Then you put up one keyword, the Malayan, and it will end up too many
You're scared?
articles,
Yes, I'm
but
not
you
so
don't have that
prepared.
too much time to
Oh, that's your
search
fault.
it all up. Then you put up another keyword,
Yes.
the
You should
second
be
keyword with it,
fine.
which is
No, I
Malayan
mean,
Colleges.
look at
But
this.
still
What's
it is too
this?
many.
It's just
Then
design.
put up another
What did
keyword
you
with
do
it is
this?
also necessary, the Malayan
Yes, it
Colleges Laguna. And
is.
Shh,
It's like
maybe it
that.
It's
will give you some
recording.
relevant answers in your topic.
Your room.
Then the
It's
second
not like
one
that.
is
Yeah, make it like
use
another.
phrases
Yeah, no.
whenever possible.
Have you
For
done?
example,
I
you're
think you
going to
have.
search
Oh, you'll kill
about
me again.
the dogs in the the
1,000
dogs that are used in the
Oh, oh,
military.
oh, oh, oh.
You're going to put some adjectives like war dogs or dogs that in the battle. So it will give you um,
Oh.
some information or articles that can related to your topic. And then the third one is learn how to use advanced techniques. The, for example, you are going to search about the country Madagascar. And then it when you put the word Madagascar in the internet or in the catalogs or in the library, it will give you information that like the Madagascar movie. So the solution for that is putting a minus sign or a dash sign. So it will give you like Madagascar dash sign or minus sign that country, and it will give you the answer for that. And then the last one is the use the find feature. I know that all of you know how to use that find feature when you go on IT, and it is like pressing the control key and then pressing the letter F, and then you will put the keyword so you'll find what you're going to look for. Thank
Oh, reaction ha. Ang, oh.